Welcome to PGEUP. Today we are going to be talking about YouTube fair use copyright content. The real truth is, there is no trick that can protect your video from a copyright claim or copyright strike. The easiest way to avoid any copyright issues altogether is to create 100% original content. Now, if you have chosen or decided to incorporate or use copyrighted content into your YouTube videos, then you need to gain a full understanding of what fair use is. In simple terms, fair use is known as a legal doctrine that says you can reuse copyrighted protected material under certain circumstances without getting permission from the original copyright owner, which is mostly for educational or reference purposes. But before you can use any copyrighted materials in your YouTube videos, you must consider the following. Number 1. How much of the original copyright content do you want to use in your own video? So, the amount of content that you extract or you take to use in your own videos really matters. You would have to use just a short piece from the original copyrighted material just to be on the safe side. The recommendation should be 80 to 20%. Meaning for every copyrighted content that you're using in your own video, you need to use just 20% of the copyrighted content, and 80% should be your own original content, created by you. You should always be very careful on how much of the original copyrighted content you want to use. Number 2. What are you planning to do with the original copyrighted content that you're using to create your own videos? Or in general, what is the purpose of the video copyright clip you are using? If you are actually doing something highly educative and transformative with the copyrighted content, then your video will be considered to fall under the YouTube Fair Use Guidelines. In general, transforming copyrighted content to your own unique video using short clips of copyrighted videos and images to create your own content can actually generate tons of views and also get you monetized. So, the main idea is that you are more likely to be covered on the YouTube Fair Use Guidelines if you are doing something quite different, or if you are transforming copyrighted videos from what the original creator has already done. Number 3. What is the type of copyrighted video you're using to create your own video? Are you using a creative or fictional content? For example, a film or a documentary will be considered creative, but cartoons are considered fictional. So, if you are using a creative copyrighted content in your video will easily fall under the YouTube Fair Use Guidelines. But again, YouTube is against fair use if the original work is based highly on creative works, like a movie or TV show. Number 4. What effect does your video have, or what is the potential market your video has against the copyrighted content you have used? If the video you are remaking will take away views or sales from the original video content, then of course your video will hardly be covered under the YouTube fair use. You should not create a video that will take over the market that the original copyrighted owner is already entitled to. So, guys, if you want to use any copyrighted content on YouTube, you need to take into consideration all of the 4 main factors we have just discussed in the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this.